Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 40. And the topic for today is fitness first, velocity next. Very recently, Mr. Chandrasekharan, the chairman of Tata Sons, told in an interview that the philosophy of his company is going to be fitness first and velocity next. What he means is Tata Sons want to emphasize on financial health as a prerequisite for sustainable and responsible growth. It means they're going to prepare for future growth and expansion, but from a position of financial strength. Friends, today I talked to a lot of entrepreneurs and startup founders. Many of the startups are working on future growth without any financial strength. They want to achieve growth irrespective of their current financial situations, which is going to be a disaster in the future. For example, 10 years back, exactly I did the mistake as an entrepreneur. I was chasing growth, but I never focused on the strength of my finance of my company and even my personal finance. Thanks to my mentor, I came out of that trap and now my life is in a better shape. So whether you are a entrepreneur or a professional in your personal finance as well, you have to plan for your growth from the position of financial strength. If you don't do that, the base is not strong and your company or your family will collapse due to lack of financial strength. So that is the message for this week, my friends. The message is fitness first, velocity next. Fitness means your financial strength and velocity is what your future growth. So grow in the position of financial strength and have a great life. Thank you and see you soon.